Hey, my name's Dryden Joss from Dryden Joss Vlogs, and you're watching the Dryden Joss Vlog. Yeah. Okay. Hey, what's up, guys? Dryden Joss here, obviously. I thought that my first video in 2018 should be about 2018 and what I'm gonna do and my plans for this channel and all that stuff. You know, every single YouTuber does this, so might as well get it out of the way now, just so everyone's on board. So basically for 2018, there's just a couple things that I want to do differently than 2017. One of them, unfortunately, is not to daily vlog anymore. I think it'd be much better if I made vlogs that were more quality, but with less quantity, if that makes sense. I want to put a lot more time in editing the vlogs, making them much more focused on story, just things that I can look back on and really be proud of, because that's what this vlog is for in the first place. See, in 2017, I got a little bit sidetracked on the vlog. I started the vlog late 2016, and when I started it, it was just something that was really fun. And it was something that I said, in the future, I can look back on this and be like, I did that back in 2016. But then in 2017, my friend told me to start daily vlogging, and I did, which was really good for me, and I think it was definitely a good thing that I did. But I don't think I need a daily vlog anymore. I think I need to focus more on better videos. The thing with daily vlogging was, for me, it got kind of stressful, because it was like I have to make a vlog every single day. And then there's just some days where I would upload like a 3-minute vlog, and that's not what I want to do. I want quality this year. I don't know, when I started daily vlogging, I was trying to make something for an audience. When I've been looking back on it now, I really want to make something for me. I want to do something that I am passionate about and something that I want to do. Like, it's kind of selfish, but it is my vlog. My goal with the vlog in 2018 and from now on is that when I'm 50 or whatever, I can look back on these vlogs with the quality and say, man, that's what I did back then, and I made it for me. I wasn't making it for an audience. Audiences are welcome, though. So those are kind of my initial thoughts on what's going on with this vlog and everything, and that's really it. It's not much. I just wanted to get that off my chest. What? Get off? I didn't get anything. I just wanted to say that before I continue this vlog this year. I just wanted it to be like, hey, this is what I'm doing. I'm doing this vlog for me. Instead of trying to figure out what an audience wants from my own life, when really it's my life that's the interesting thing that you all are here for in the first place. So why? I don't know. Okay, it's really confusing, but that's what... Now, as far as content-wise, 2018, and for the future of my life and my vlog, I really want to focus more on travel. I really want to travel. I have a very adventurous spirit. Last summer, I went on a 8,000-mile road trip. This summer, I have plans to do something else that's also really cool. I have plans for spring break. I've been planning to do a lot of cool things. And that's what I'm excited to show the world and future Dryden, like, hey, you did all this. But yeah, I think you get the point. That's kind of where I'm going with this vlog. It's a lot more focus on travel, a lot more focus on career, because I'm a junior in college. I'm a film school student, and this is when things get going, kind of. It's like internships, all that kind of stuff. I want to talk about that on the vlog and my thoughts on that. This Christmas break is a month and a half, and it's terrible. I want to go back to school really badly. I want to see my friends. I want to get back into work, be on set, do stuff. But I've been on break at home doing odd jobs like cleaning these bars. So right now I'm in the shed because I have to clean these. These are wheelchair handles for a toilet at my dad's office that he wants me to take this paint off with this rubbing stuff. I got to take the paint off of this and clean it. But yeah, those are my thoughts on 2018. I'll be making videos shortly. I go back to school January 22nd is the first day of school. So look forward to that, because the vlog will be back and running then. I just felt like making this 2018 vlog just so y'all know what's up. And that's pretty much it for me right now, I think, because this is gonna take a while. Anyway, I'll see y'all soon. Just hang tight, okay? And I'll be back with some content. And 2018 is going to be a really great year. I can feel it. Do I have anything else to say, or am I going to keep rambling? Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know your 2018 goals. I want to hear them. Put them in the comments. I read all the comments. Just put down your 2018 goal. And I'll see you later.